out a-walking on one summer's day. He walked down by the river, but he could not find his way. He searched and searched for hours, the sun burned overhead. He prayed aloud to God above and wished that he was dead. And then a vision came to him on that river bank, where shady trees hung o'er his head and grass grew tall and rank. He saw a city through the trees, trimmed with silver towers. He wished that he could go there among sweet banks of flowers. He walked and walked along the path on that river shore, but the silver towers and banks of flowers he could see no more. And then poor Georgie, he laid down and cried, and on the bank so dark and dank, there poor Georgie died. Snow-white clouds drift overhead on a summer's day, and far away in some bright land Georgie's found his way. He's walked on that golden path amidst the silver towers, and there he whiles away the days among sweet